is a river flood warning for the following county: Boyd, Kentucky, and Lawrence, Ohio. Issued at 10:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Ohio River at Ashland. The hazardous weather can be expected from late tonight to Tuesday morning. Impacts: at 52.0 feet, minor flooding of roads in low-lying areas begin to flood due to backwater from creeks. Additional details: at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday, the stage was 51.7 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 52.2 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Tuesday morning. Flood stage is 52.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 52.1 feet on December 24, 2018. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Repeating, a river flood warning has been issued from 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday for the following county: Boyd, Kentucky, and Lawrence, Ohio.